What's up guys? Welcome back. In this video you will discover how to turn on two-step verification on your Google account using by your Android device. With two-step verification, you add an extra layer of security to your account. After you set it up, you will sign in to your account in two-step using something you know, that is your password, something you have like your phone or a security key dongle. I am ensuring you that if you really interested to know about the details about this topic, this video is going to be very useful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will be very inspiring for me. Let's get started. Set up two-step verification on your Google account using your Android device. On your Android phone or tablet, open your device setting app. Tap Google. Tap Manage your Google account. At the top bar menu, tap Security. Under Sign in to Google, tap Two-Step Verification. Tap Get Started. Google is asking your password. To continue, first verify it's you. Type your password and tap Next. Your two-step verification has successfully started. Try it now. Trying to sign in from another device. If it is you, tap Yes. Your sign-in approved. How do you want to get codes? Text message or phone call? I like text message. Select your desired option and then send. Google has sent you a security code. Tap Next. Type the code on Enter the code section. After typing it, tap Next. Tap On. Two-step verification is on. If you want to turn off this service, from here, Turn Off. Tap the Turn Off button and this service will be closed. That's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get my upcoming videos. Take care. Have a nice journey with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.